Here's a little song called Boat Drinks. Boat drinks. Boys in the band order boat drinks. Visitors going on the home ring. Everything seems to be wrong. Stay late. Use peppermint and cheap airfare. I gotta fly to St. somewhere 'cause I'm finally home. Now it's 20 degrees and this hockey game's on. Nobody cares, they're way too far gone. Screaming boat drink, something to keep them all warm. This morning, I shot 6 holes in my freezer. I think I've got cabin fever. Oh, somebody sounding alarm. I'd like to go where the pace of life's slow. Won't you beat me somewhere, Mr. Scott? Any old place in earth or space. You pick the century and I pick the spot. I know I should be leaving this climate. I got a verse, I can't rhyme it. Oh, I gotta go where it's warm. Cold drinks. Waitress, I need 2 more boat drinks. I'm headed south for my dream drink. So I gotta go where it's warm. I gotta go where it's warm. I gotta go where it's warm. I gotta go where there ain't any snow, ain't any blow, where my fins sink so low. I gotta go where it's warm. Thank you very much.